we got a rainy day today, so do an update on my bike check. We got a salt back wheel 10 tooth with some pink spray paint, because I spray painted my friend's pegs pink and he got my back tire. Kink seat. Sunday, Ian Schwartz signature frame, 21 top tube, got new flight cranks, animal, twisted pedals. I don't know what sprocket it is. The kid just gave it to me when I got the cranks from Shadow Chain, 2510 gearing. S&M pitchforks, like that Haro wheel, whatever, works. Animal ASM tire. S&M little redneck stem. Fit Sky Highs. ODI long neck grips. ODI bar ends. Animal headset. And Odyssey P-Light tire. 2.225 club. King seat. No seat post. You can probably hear it. Hold up, I'm gonna try and see if you guys can hear it. All in all, pretty solid. I like it. It's raining. I want to ride, but it's raining.